Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the EcoStruxure Machine Expert HVAC. I'm your host, Leandro Mada, and in this video what we're going to see is how we can download our application through the remote display, the black and white, the monochromatic display for the M172. So let's go to the software. So as soon as you configure your display, okay, it is important that you have this activated remote and local. So you have the files that will be for the display to read and update the application. So as soon as you connect, I'm connected right now, you should be able to go into the, let's see, into the display part. Okay, here you can see to access to this part. So let's have a look. Okay, I believe you see something. Okay, let's have a look to the full view. Okay, there we go. So we just need to go to the HMI manage. If you're not, you have the possibility to press this one and these two together to access to that menu. HMI manage, and here we just need to go to HMI. So select select to HMI. Okay, upload, yes. Okay, save, please wait. It's okay, I don't want to, but there we go. So the application has been updated. You can see there is the same application that I have here. It has been updated with these two values. Okay, they are the one some analog IOs. So if I click here, wait for it to, there we go. You can see they change 30 degrees and it changes. It's the analog IO. So basically it's important to have the connection correct. Let me just find you the things. So if you go to the instruction sheet, I have my M172 connected via CAN to the M172 DGRP. Okay, I'm sharing the same power supply. Okay, and I have these three cables coming on here in the back part, which is CAN communication. Okay, once you get this and you have the program already done, it's just full download, and that should be it. Okay, so this is how you can download the application into the remote display for the M172. Okay, it's very simple. You just need to make sure that when you develop the application that you have for the M172, it's also remote and display, remote and local. Okay, so we have your application in the embedded and also the application for the remote PLC, remote display. So thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.